guys, it's Vince back with another video. Today I'm gonna be installing Windows XP on my virtual machine. I don't think I've showed my virtual machine before, but yeah, here it is for the first time. So, Currently I'm doing the installation process where I have to install it on my virtual machine because I've done like the first couple of steps on how to like get it and like download the ISO file, so I've done all that already. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and format the partition. There we go. Format the partition uh, using the NTFS file system quick. And then yeah, we have to wait. This I don't know how long will this take. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this. Alright, so now the Windows XP installation has finished. I'm gonna go ahead and start exploring Windows XP. Um, yeah, I'm sorry this video could be a little bit messy, but I have not used Windows XP for a very long time. When I was a little kid, I don't know, back before like 2012 or something like that, I've been using Windows XP to type up I don't know, random documents in Microsoft Word, and that's all I used it for. So, yeah. So I was just randomly doing stuff on Windows XP as shown in the video. So yeah, I was just doing really random stuff, and basically, yeah, sorry, it's just really random, but I haven't used Windows XP for a long time, so I really need to get used to like the controls because, as we know, Windows XP is no longer supported by Microsoft, and cause the biggest change that happens that makes me stop using Windows XP is that the laptop that had it was upgraded to Windows 7. So, yeah. So basically, there's no other computers that had Windows XP because my dad also bought a new computer which had a Windows 7 on it. And, my mom also did have a Windows XP computer, but she said it was slow and she decided to use a laptop, or no, actually buy a new laptop with Windows 8 on it. So, yeah. So, yeah, I just can't stress this out, but I'm really sorry this video is just really messy, but I'm just randomly exploring stuff on Windows XP, but, yeah. I have not used Windows XP for a long time, especially the time where my dad updated the, yeah, as I forgot to mention, the computer that had it was Dell Precision M something, I don't know, but it's an old laptop, but currently has Windows 7. Windows 7 is also losing support from Microsoft, so I've done backup to it, and so basically, um, I don't know what else to do with it, but might as well like dump it or something. But yeah, as we can see in the video, Windows XP has no support, and yeah, please excuse the background noise, but Windows XP has no support, so I cannot install any antivirus programs on it. So, yeah. I don't really have much to do, but, yeah, just enjoy as I explore Windows XP. Sorry if this is really random, but here we go.